something was to happen and we had to leave here, that wouldn't be our first choice to go back to. We'd be like, okay, let's find another country because we only get the one life, and why not experience as many places as we can, especially if it's just an affordable place for us to live and just enjoy life and have a good time without stress. I think that should be everybody.
I have not found many YouTubers, experts doing lives with such detailed explanation of things in Salinas.
Yeah, okay. Because there's not a lot. So there are a lot of expats in Salinas, but maybe not really many making a lot of content because it's not the biggest beach city in Ecuador. That's Manta. And it's not as popular. A lot of people don't even know about Salinas, honestly, because it's more of a destination for Ecuadorians than it is for like foreigners.
Yeah, a lot of foreigners go to Olan and
Manta.
Montanita.
And Montanita, yeah.
Yeah, that's near Salinas. Salinas is a very small area.
It's kind of a small town.
Yeah,
but
and you don't want to say town, but it is a town.
Yeah, it's a city. It was a town, but it's right next to La Libertad, so it bleeds into La Libertad in such a way that you don't realize you've left one and gone to the other. Which is why you may not realize how small actually Salinas is. We have plenty of information about Salinas, so like you can pick our brain as much as you want, honestly. The ups and downs, the goods and bads of it. But I will keep saying this. We definitely liked it in Salinas. It's just one of those things where we had to weigh like what's better for us now, Salinas or Cuenca. And it ended up being Cuenca. But we are very glad that we had the experience in Salinas first. So I will say this, Debbie, you are doing yourself a favor by going to Salinas first, because you will learn a lot more about the culture and how to navigate things that aren't as accessible to like Americans. It is less accessible to Americans in Salinas. So the way the buses work is different. You're going to find a lot fewer people that speak English. It's a lot less catered to foreigners. It's more catered to Ecuadorian families and people just come and have a good time at the beach. So you will get to see a lot. Yeah.
If you want small, intimate, that's what Salinas is. There are a lot of expats there. They do have gatherings just about every day of the week.
Yeah, there's always something going on.
They're doing pickleball, Mexican train, karaoke,
volleyball.
And you find those things along the Malaco.